Rover stopped, sniffing here and there. Alice tugged on the leash. "Come on, let's go." The dog ignored her. Instead, he continued to explore a patch of grass at the end of the street. "Come on," Alice grunted as she pulled harder on the leash. The stubborn Rover didn't move. She glanced up and caught the image of an adult. She called out, "Mommy, Rover won't obey me." Her mother walked over while Alice tugged on the leash again. "Why do I have to take him for a walk?" She threw down the leash in protest. Her mother leaned over and scooped it up. "Alice, try a little kindness." Then she said in a low voice, "Let's go, Rover." The dog looked up, then trotted alongside as Alice and her mother walked back home. "Alice," her mother said, "I want you to walk Rover because I want him to respond to the sound of your voice."